Hey guys, I'm Greg Hardy and welcome to my channel. In a school system where quadratic equations are taught but budgeting isn't, I wanted to make a video that covers 10 essential principles that can truly shape your financial future. From understanding the power of compounding interest to the art of investing, we're going to cover a lot of material in this video, so I encourage you to watch it until the end. In fact, 88% of all Americans said high school did not leave them fully prepared for handling money in the real world. Most Americans say learning about money in high school would have made a significant difference in how they deal with money today. 74% said they would have made fewer money mistakes, and almost the same number, 73%, said that they would be further ahead with their finances than they are right now. America's lack of personal finance education is undeniable because only 17% of U.S. adults said they took a personal finance class in high school. So that's the purpose of this video. It's to give you some valuable insights into the world of personal finance. But before we do that, I ask that you hit that like button and also consider subscribing to this channel if growing your wealth is something that you want to do. Plus, it will also allow this video to reach a wider audience and help even more people. Now let's get started. Creating a budget is like making a plan for your money. First, list all your sources of income, like your job, allowances, or any side gigs. Next, write down all of your expenses. This includes things like rent or mortgage payments, as well as smaller expenses like groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Once you have your list, compare your income to your expenses. If you're spending more than you earn, it's time to cut back on some of your expenses. Try to find areas where you can save money, like eating out less or canceling subscriptions that you don't use anymore. The goal is to make sure you're living within your means. Stick to your budget by tracking your spending regularly and adjusting as needed. This way, you'll have a better control over your finances and can save for future goals. There are several budgeting methods to choose from, each with its unique approach. The 50-30-20 rule allocates 50% of your income to needs like rent and groceries, 30% to wants like dining out and entertainment, and 20% to savings and debt repayments. The envelope system involves physically placing cash into envelopes labeled for different expenses, helping you stick to spending limits. The zero-based budget requires you to assign every dollar of income a specific purpose, ensuring that no money is left unallocated. Lastly, the pay yourself first method prioritizes saving a set portion of your income before spending on anything else. Each method can help you manage your money effectively, so choose the one that fits your lifestyle and your financial goals. Debt is money you borrow and have to pay back, usually with interest. Not all debt is bad. There is good debt and bad debt. Good debt is when you borrow money for something that can increase your wealth or improve your future, like student loans possibly for education or mortgage for a house. These types of debt can be seen as investments because they have the potential to provide returns in the long run, like higher earning potential or property value appreciation. On the other hand, bad debt is money borrowed for things that don't increase in value and can even depreciate over time. This includes high-interest credit card debt, payday loans, and car loans. Bad debt can quickly become a financial burden because the high interest rates make it harder to pay off. It's important to manage and minimize bad debt while strategically using good debt to improve your financial situation. Always try to pay off high-interest debts first and avoid borrowing for any unnecessary expenses. Saving money is crucial if you want to have any financial stability. One of the first steps in saving is to establish an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a stash of money that's set aside for unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or a job loss. Ideally, this fund should cover 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind and ensures that you can handle financial surprises without going into debt. Besides an emergency fund, saving for future goals is also important. These goals should include buying a home, starting a business, or taking a vacation. Setting clear, achievable goals helps you to stay motivated and disciplined in your saving habits. Start by deciding how much you need to save and by when. Then break this amount down into smaller, manageable monthly savings targets. Consistently setting aside money each month, even if it's just a small amount, can help you reach your goals over time. Saving money also allows you to take advantage of opportunities. For example, if you have savings, you can invest in opportunities that can grow your wealth, like buying stocks or starting a business. The key is to make saving a regular part of your financial routine, so you're prepared for emergencies and can achieve your long-term financial goals. Investing is a way to grow your money over time. The basics of investing involves putting money into assets like stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles with the goal of making a profit. Stocks represent shares in a company, and when you buy them, you become a part owner of that company. If the company does well, the value of your stocks can go up and make you money. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loans you give to companies or governments. They pay you interest over time and return your principal amount when they mature. Investing is important for long-term growth because it helps your money grow faster than if you just kept it in a savings account. The key is to diversify your investments, which means spreading your money across different types of assets. This reduces risk because if one investment doesn't do very well, others might. For example, you might invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. It's also crucial to start investing as early as possible to take advantage of compounding interest, where your investment earnings generate more earnings over time. Remember, all investments come with risks, and it's important to do your research before investing. Keep a long-term perspective and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. By understanding and following these basic investing principles, you can build wealth over time and achieve your financial goals. A credit score is a number that shows how good you are at managing money and paying back debt. It helps lenders to decide if they should give you a loan or a credit card. Your credit score goes up when you pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and don't take on too much debt. I recently did a video on how to get a perfect credit score that I'll link in the description for you to watch after this one. A credit report is a detailed record of your credit history. It shows all of your loans, credit cards, and payment history. Checking your credit report regularly is important because it helps you to spot mistakes or signs of identity theft. You can get a free credit report once a year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Keeping a good credit score can help you get better interest rates on loans and credit cards, which can help you save money in the long run. Taxes is money that the government takes from your income to pay for public services like schools, roads, and healthcare. When you work, a part of your paycheck goes to the government as taxes. At the end of the year, you file a tax return to show how much money you made and how much taxes you owe or should get back. Deductions are expenses that can lower the amount of income you pay taxes on, like donations to a charity or certain medical costs. Using tax-efficient strategies like contributing to retirement accounts can also help reduce the taxes that you owe. These strategies help you keep more of your money while still following the law. Understanding taxes and using deductions can make a big difference in how much of your money you're able to keep. Insurance is a way to protect yourself from big financial losses. There are different types of insurance for different needs. Life insurance pays money to your family if you pass away, helping them cover expenses and maintain their lifestyle. Health insurance helps pay for medical costs like doctor visits, hospital stays, and medications, so you don't have to pay the full amount out of pocket. Auto insurance covers damage to your car and other vehicles if you get into an accident. It can also pay for injuries to you or to others involved in the accident. Homeowners or renters insurance protects your home and belongings from damage or theft. These types of insurances are important because they provide financial security and peace of mind, knowing that you are protected against any unexpected expense. Including insurance in your financial planning helps you to prepare for the unexpected. Without insurance, you might face a huge bill that could drain your savings or put you into sizable debt. By paying a small amount regularly, which is called a premium, you ensure that you are covered in case something goes wrong. This makes insurance a key part of a solid financial plan. Planning for retirement means saving money now so that you have enough to live on when you stop working. It's important to start early because the sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. One way to save for retirement is by using special accounts like a 401k and even a Roth IRA. A 401k is a retirement savings account offered by many employers. You can put a part of your paycheck into this account before taxes are taken out, which helps you save more money. Often, employers will match a portion of your contributions, adding even more to your savings. You can start withdrawing money from your 401k without penalties once you reach the age of 59 and a half. A Roth IRA is a retirement savings account where you contribute money after you've paid taxes on it. The big advantage is that your money grows tax-free and you can withdraw it tax-free in retirement. You can start taking money out of a Roth IRA without penalties once you reach the age of 59 and a half, as long as the account has been open for at least 5 years. Unlike some other retirement accounts, Roth IRAs do not require you to start taking money out at a certain age. I have several videos that discusses 401ks and Roth IRAs in more detail that I'll link in the description. But compounding interest is another reason to start saving early. Compounding means that you earn interest on your initial savings, and then you earn interest on the interest that you've already earned. Over time, this can make your savings grow much faster. For example, if you save $100 and earn 5% interest, you'll have $105 after 1 year. The next year, you earn interest on the $105, and so on. Starting early and taking advantage of compounding interest can help you build a strong financial future for your retirement. Setting financial goals is important for managing your money well. Start by thinking about what you'd like to achieve, whether that's buying a house, paying off debt, or saving for a vacation. Make sure your goals are realistic and specific. For example, instead of just saying you want to save money, decide how much you want to save and by when. This makes your goal clearer and easier to reach. These are called SMART goals and are a way to set clear and achievable objectives by following a specific framework. This framework ensures that your goals are specific, meaning you define exactly what you want to achieve. They should be measurable by allowing you to track your progress and know when you've reached your goal. Goals must also be achievable, ensuring that they are realistic and within your reach. They should be relevant, meaning that they are important to you and align with your other objectives. Finally, SMART goals are time-bound, giving you a clear deadline for when you want to achieve them. By using SMART goals, you can create well-defined goals that are easier to accomplish and to track. Once you have your goals, develop a plan to achieve them. Break your big goals into smaller, manageable steps. For instance, if you want to save $1,200 in a year, aim to save $100 each month. Track your progress regularly and adjust your plan if needed. Setting a budget can also help you stay on track by showing your money where it's going and where you can cut back to save even more. By setting realistic goals and following a clear plan, you can make steady progress and achieve your financial dreams at the same time. Making good financial decisions means choosing the right products for your needs and goals. First, you need to understand what you want to achieve, like saving for a car or paying off debt. Then, look at a different financial product, such as savings accounts, loans, or investment options. Compare their features, like interest rates, fees, and benefits, to see which one best fits your needs. It's important to do research before making a decision. Read reviews, ask for advice, and make sure you understand how each product works. Think about long-term impact of your decision and how it will help you reach your goals. By taking the time to evaluate your options and make informed decisions, you can better manage your money and achieve your financial objectives. The increase in personal finance education in high schools is a positive development. More states are making personal finance courses mandatory for graduation and raising awareness about this important topic. The growing trend of personal finance education legislation has brought the percentage of high schoolers guaranteed to take a personal finance course up to 40.5% in 2023, compared with 22.7% of students in 2022, according to the NGPF. As a result, today's students are starting to see the benefits. Just like the lack of personal finance education has had long-term effects, the expanded access to personal finance education in high schools should bring lifelong benefits to today's students. Over time, these changes will play a vital role in helping all students graduate high school with the financial skills they need to confidently start their adult lives. If you want to learn more about growing your wealth, then check out this video right here. But before you do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. Really hope you liked this video and that you got something out of it. I'll see you in the next one.